It's an honor to me to be here in the Chitkara University. I find this university much more better than other university as far as the academic standard is concerned, students, faculty members, and the surroundings of the university. This university can be compared with any Western university as far as the academic standard is concerned. While my stay 3 days here, I observe here that the students of the particularly Department of Economics are very much enlightened, they are very serious, and they have participated in the discussion very seriously. It was a pleasant experience here for me, and I look forward to visit again as soon as possible. I wish this university a faster growth in future. Good wishes.